Hello, Beena ma'am. Congratulations for the book launch. All the best.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
Hello, Dr. Jamuna Pai.
Hello.
Okay, so we are now live on Facebook as well on the author Beena Mardia's page, and we are good to go. Shall we, Kinnari?
Yes, please. Thank you, Piali.
6 yards of pure elegance. A sari never tells you to fit in. It makes you stand out. A very good evening to all the beautiful and gorgeous people. With great joy and immense delight, I feel privileged to extend a warm welcome to our eminent and illustrious chief guests for the evening, the glittering star, author of the book, and esteemed guests who has joined us on this Zoom session and on the Facebook Live. This evening is very special, everyone. It is dedicated to a very dynamic and incredibly versatile lady who has influenced everyone around her to perceive that a sari looks stunning in whichever way you choose to drape it. The fashionista and the author of the drape story, one and only Beena Mardia. She decided to do this much awaited launch of the coffee table book virtually now. Of course, we all know the situation. Thank you to the changing times and technology. We are at least able to meet in spite of the challenging and pandemic situation and get a copy of our own. I wish we could all meet in person and talk about the book along with the author, but I'm sure someday in the near future, we will be able to do it. I guess we do have some plans for that too. But for the time being, here we are. Today, 3 extremely noteworthy and remarkable women have graced us with their kind presence as the chief guests of the evening, and the book will be launched at their gracious hands. So let me take the opportunity to introduce you all to them. The first chief guest for the evening, please welcome Alia Sultana Babi, an amateur paleontologist and conservationist. She is the daughter of the late Nawab Sahib of the Babi dynasty of the erstwhile princely state of Balasinor. She has spent a good number of years of her life fighting in adversity for the preservation of the precious relics of the extinct dinosaur species that once roamed the lands of her forefathers. Princess Alia runs the Garden Palace Heritage Hotel from the Royal Palace in Balasinor. She is actively engaged to support artists by promoting their work through her label Alia. She has played a critical role in reviving the dinosaur tourism in the country and is instrumental in setting up India's one-of-its-kind dinosaur museum with Gujarat Tourism. She recently made it to the list of 500 most influential people in the world. And needless to say, her work has been written and talked about in numerous publications and television channels. True encouragement for the upcoming generation. Alia, welcome to you.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure being here.
Thank you. Now I take the opportunity and absolutely pleased to meet our next chief guest of the evening. Her Highness Maharani Sahiba Samyukta Kumari Gohel. She was born in the stunning Kangra Valley of Himachal Pradesh. She was educated in Bhutan, where her father was military attaché to the king, and later in the Shimla Hills, where she distinguished herself by getting the President's Gold Medal for the best all-rounder and all India merit in the board exams. Married into the royal family of Bhavnagar, she has been contributing to the running of families' heritage hotels and educational and charitable trusts. She strongly believes in educating a girl child and has added a girls' college to the existing institutes established by the ancestors of the family. Mother of 2 loving children, she counts motherhood as the most fulfilling role in life. Thank you, ma'am, so much for joining us today and welcome.
Very much.
Well, here I am welcoming the third guest for the evening, and she needs no introduction, whether to Ahmedabad or to Gujarat or to anywhere else. Purvi Doshi is the first Indian fashion designer to represent Khadi as an Indian textile at New York Fashion Week in 2017. She has also presented a collection made from Kala cotton, the rarest species of organic cotton at Paris, taking the Indian craft to global platform. She says that the label had started in a small basement, but led to her to the sustainability and cruelty-free fashion. Purvi has been recognized for her efforts in bringing awareness about cruelty in fashion, particularly on silkworms, by an award called Compassion in Fashion, given by PETA India, and is the first recipient of India of this award called Eco Age, the brand mark for sustainable excellence from London. Many more to come her way. Please welcome designer par excellence, Purvi Doshi. A big welcome to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lovely. So as we move forward and have this evening, there's a lot of things that we are going to talk about today, something very interesting, something very new, and I'm absolutely cannot wait. So talking a little bit about the sari and then moving forward, a sari isn't just an attire, it's an influence, it's an identity, it's a language. Who else can emphasize it better than the author of the Drape story? But the Drape story did not happen overnight, ladies. Let's know more about this interesting journey, and who could share it better with us than I'm going to invite none other than her enterprising daughter, Kinnari Shah. I'm sure you all know her. Multifaceted Kinnari is the Vice President at International Creative Arts Center, an initiative of self-funded NGO, working for the development of art and artists in the country. She is also a key stakeholder in Variety Lounge and Terraces in SBR in Ahmedabad, and in their family businesses of manufacturing of PU foam. Besides working as a financial analyst for a long time with wealth management firms. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kinnari. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Piali. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. I think this pandemonium of this pandemic ensured that we finally welcome you all on a virtual surface. So a very warm welcome to Princess Aliaji Babi, Her Highness Maharani Sahiba Samyukta Ji Gohil and Purvi Ji Doshi, and my dear friends and family. We are delighted to have you all with us here today, virtually, to celebrate the book launch of Ms. Beena Mardia, Aka, my mother. Thank you so much. And what better way to do so than by surrounded by the people who love and care for you. Her journey has been no less than a roller coaster ride. But today, as I speak to all of you, I swear with pride, love, and warmth, for she has accomplished a great milestone in her life. Putting together the Drape story and thus sharing her love for the traditional avatar we don, she has paved the path forward for introducing a whole new and different meaning to saris. The 6 meters wonder, the sari, in its myriad manifestations, will be on display in the Drape story. This beautiful garment has been India's mainstay, from the palaces to the huts, from the mountains to the plains, and from the cities to the villages. So before we launch ourselves into the unveiling of the Drape story, I just want to give Ms. Beena Mardia a small introduction. So Ms. Beena Mardia, aka my mom, she's a CEO at Transform, an image manager, a sari drapist, and an author of the Drape story. The Drape story, she's also a fashion enthusiast who has come a very long way, carving a niche for herself, which is a piquant combination of modern and traditional, classy and ethnic, and yet it's everything aesthetic. From being part of small and big projects to working as a style coach and personal shopper, Beena has finally found her ever-inspiring and long-searched passion, sari draping. She has even been honored with prestigious awards like Heart and Soul Women with Spirit Awards 2019 and Rajasthan Women Achievement Award for her distinguished contribution and innovation in sari drapes. Recently, on 8th March, on Women's Day, she was awarded by International Women's Awards for her contribution in the fashion and style segment. An empowered woman, an affluent speaker, she has been an inspiring woman to all the women entrepreneurs through participation in live conversations and personalized live sessions. At the end of the day, Beena Maurya is all about sari drapes, which allows you to be versatile, modern, and chic yet traditional. Lastly, Mom, this is for you. I don't tell you, or for that matter, never have told you, but today I wish to share that you are so inspiring and I'm filled with nothing but absolute admiration and pride of everything you have achieved and still achieving. But most of it all, I'm extremely proud of you today for being you. Your faith, confidence, and unwavering support have moved mountains in my life, and there are mountains left to move. So don't think for a second that your job is done. Here's to the years ahead and to playing your part with excellence. I would like to leave you all with a quote which sings perfectly well with Miss Beena Maurya, Aka, my mom. The sari she wears may be traditional. The sari she wears may be traditional, but she is 6 yards ahead of her times. But she is 6 yards away ahead of her times. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kinnari. It was absolutely wonderful. And, you know, you could literally, I could feel the passion of, you know, of what she does with completely, you know, in her, the interest and the love for it. That's wonderful. Right. So let's now move on further. And after this wonderful articulation of the passion, I think the moment has now arrived, which we all have been waiting for. The moment for unveiling the coffee table book, The Drape Story, the moment to celebrate, the time to rejoice a milestone by an author who has put her heart and soul in it. Well, since we are launching the book virtually, I will request the chief guests to unveil the book, not together or, you know, sort of simultaneously, but one by one, so that we all can appreciate and relish it. So my humble request to each chief guest will be that, you know, you first launch the book and then please speak a few words on this occasion. So Kinnari, I think we have to make some changes like this, right? When we are doing a book launch virtually, which doesn't happen every day. So I have one small request. If all of you could kindly put your status on the mute, that would sort of, you know, help us in having our chief guest to launch the book and also speak a few words, and we all will be able to enjoy and listen to them well. So that would be wonderful. Thank you.
Beena Mamisa, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Piyali,
Yes.
can we?
You want to mute everyone
Yes, please.
for the time being? Okay.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Lovely. So let's start with our book launch now. And I would like to begin this by requesting Princess Alia Sultana Babi. I'll request her to unveil the coffee table book.
Thank you, everyone. Good evening to all of you. Kamagini Babisab, thank you, Kinnari, for giving me this pleasure to launch this book by your dear mother. And for the first time, I think most of us are doing this virtual unveiling of a book.
Yes.
So it's something different, but I think all of us are going to enjoy it.
Yes.
I have seen my mother and my grandmother and all wearing beautiful saris over the years. I've seen members of my family and the extended family and friends and relatives all wearing beautiful saris. I'm not much of a sari fan myself, but on many occasions I do wear it. And I think it is one of the most elegant piece of clothing anyone can ever wear. As you said, it's 6 yards of elegance, and it can make anyone just look as gorgeous and as beautiful as ever. And Binaji, hearty congratulations to you for launching this book, which will be kind of an inspiration. I'm sure it'll be like a Bible for the sari lovers. And it's an absolute honor and a pleasure to launch this book for you. And I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. So there we go. And
Thank you. Thank you so much.
wishing you all the best always.
Thank you. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you, Alia. It was lovely, everything that you said, and big congratulations with the launch of this book. And as you rightly said, probably most of us are doing a virtual book launch for the first time. And I'm sure this is a different experience again, and probably it becomes a milestone, right, Binaji, to have something done completely different.
Yes.
Great. Thank you so much, Alia. Right, with this, let's move on to our next chief guest of the evening, and Maharani Sahiba Samyukta Kumari Gohilji. May I now request you to launch the coffee table book by Beena Madhya.
Namaste, everybody. Firstly, Kinnari, thank you so much for inviting me. It's my pleasure to be here. And I am extremely impressed by the creativity, you know, I have spent my life draping it in one way. So, you know, for me to see something so unique, it's been quite a learning experience, very fascinating. And Binaji, congratulations to you, heartiest congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I was reading in the flap about you, and it seems like, you know, you're this very, very versatile, exuberant personality who does so many things. And, you know, to get all the different kind of textiles and to have this create, I mean, you know, worn it with jeans, with shoes, and, you know, there's a dhoti thing and everything. It's extremely creative. And here's my copy, and I'd like to present it to everybody. And I'm very, very thrilled to wish you all the very best. Here's Binaji's book, and I hope everybody enjoys it, and I hope lots of youngsters learn to be creative with the sari, because I think there is nothing more graceful, elegant, and beautiful than the drape of a sari. You know, like you yourself have written in this that, you know, if you need your figure to be hidden, it hides it well. If you want to flaunt it, it's very beautifully flaunted. If you're tall, it makes you look fine. If you're short, it makes you look a little taller. So it kind of, you know, really evens out the female form to beautify it. So also the fact that you've gone through so many different kind of textures and textiles, because I think the history of mankind, presuming that the first clothing that one had was a drape. So it's very, very interesting. And I hope that, especially in Gujarat, because, you know, Surat being a textile hub and everything, I hope that it encourages more youngsters, because my generation has still gone through wearing a lot of, you know, regular daily wear saris. But now I think it's become something where there's an occasion and people dress up in a sari or whatever. So I think this will inspire a lot of young girls to, you know, be creative and to change it according to their fashion style and everything. So all the very best, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was wonderful what you said. I absolutely felt the same while, you know, sort of looking at this, the styling, that this brings together the traditional and the contemporary feeling. And I think this is going to inspire a lot of young girls to try out sari, and probably next wedding season, if it allows us to go to the gatherings, I think many of us are going to pick up the stylings from this book and going to try it out and experiment it. So that's wonderful. And thank you so much for, you know, your nice words and the blessings. Thank you. Right. So, well, virtually now let's take the opportunity to request our next chief guest of the evening to launch the book at, her gracious hands. Purvi Doshi, may I please request you?
Hello, everyone, and thank you, Kinnari, for this beautiful opportunity. I never have ever launched any book, so this is my first time, and I'm so excited about it. And yesterday when 2 days back when you sent me the book, and you said that your mom is, it's your mom's book, it's about sari draping. And I thought, okay, it is one of the book, that about sari draping, because I've gone through many such. But when I received the book, I'm telling you, I was like, what? And I was most impressed with the model and her attitude. And I called my mom and I said, Mom, what did you do in your life? Where is your passion? Why you don't have anything, and my mom was like, she was quiet, but now I've taken it up that I will make sure that my mom pursues something that she is not able to do it. So Binaji, I am so impressed with you. Forget about everything else. On the book. Oh my God. I want to make you my model, and I'm sure I'm going to sell it.
Anytime.
I'm sure. And the best part about the book, it is so easy to go through, such beautiful picture. I want to keep opening everything all the time. So my ribbon is gone because I'm constantly, going through it, opening it and seeing it. And today, for the first time, I wore a track pant.
Wow.
And I tried. and suddenly I realized it's so easy and it's so creative and it has so much of scope. This 6 yards has so much of scope. So you really have given a lot of respect to our sari. You have made it more glamorized. I'm sure youngsters are going to get so much fascinated towards this, and this shows that it is so easy to wear, to this fusion of modernity and traditional way. I have become a fan of yours, and whenever I meet you, I need your signature, autograph, sorry. So all the best, and we'll be in touch for sure.
Sure. My pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Purviji, for those wonderful words. And I think, like yourself, we all are waiting for probably this future event to happen when we could probably have a book signing event, right, Beenaji? I think we all are going to bring our copies to you. And probably that would be something very, very exciting and interesting for all of us. And we'll look forward to that to come soon. Thank you so much to all our chief guests for, unveiling and launching the book, The Drape Story, a story which is going to probably begin a new chapter in everyone's life. So congratulations, Beena Mardia, for the launch of The Drape Story. And I'll request, all our friends and family who has joined us today, you can congratulate her in the virtual way with the emojis that you can see on your screen, or absolutely you can message her on the chat as well. So, and all our, friends who are around on the Facebook Live, yes, please leave comments of your congratulations and best wishes, for her to definitely later on get to see all of it. And this is going to be definitely one of the fantastic videos which we will be creating of this entire launch. And we will, I'm sure we will share it with on the Facebook again. Right. So I think it's a little moment now to take this next step where, we have understood about the book a little bit. We are quite excited that there seems to be some wonderful pages which has some beautiful pictures and stylings. And I guess I also felt that the perfect matching accessory or the look with sari is not just jewelry and your smile. From today, you will know it is also the draping style. How? Well, with one sari, you can achieve multiple different looks and styles. So it's going to be nothing like what we all would have tried before, and it's going to be very, very flattering. So let's check out a video by Beena Mardia, and I'm sure you are all going to enjoy that video. Over to you, Kinnari.
Thank you. Give me a moment. I'll just
Sure.
share my screen.
Wow, thank you, Kinnari. That was just wonderful. I just did not know which ones to see first, whether the locations or the saris or, you know, the draping style, or Beenaji herself, who was looking so beautiful in each and every picture that we had there. So that's wonderful. And I think these are some of the glimpses from the book as well, right, Kinnari?
Yes, a few of them.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely. Can't wait to get a copy of that. So that's wonderful. So with a flair of styling and allured to grooming since young age, ladies, I am absolutely thrilled to introduce you to this very passionate fashionista and super cool writer of a versatile, modern, chic, and yet traditional. The Drape Story, presenting to you the author, Beena Mardia. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Piali. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Princess Alia ji. Thank you, Maharani Sahiba Samyukta ji, Purvi ji, my friends and my family, without whose support this event would not have been possible. The Drape Story did not happen overnight. It had to be like, you know, over the years, I have been learning about this drapes, and I had to invent and reinvent myself, considering the, you know, the times and considering the new scenes every time coming up in the fashion and the style industry. Well, earlier I was, you know, into exhibitions of Indian clothing, and then I moved on to alternative medicine. After that, I also did a stint with the slimming industry. And then finally, I realized that my true calling was the sari draping and image management. Well, you know, my achievements, they did not happen overnight. They happened because I looked at dreams. I saw them with open eyes. Even when I shut my eyes, I could see a myriad of drapes floating in front of me. I just am blessed with a sixth sense where I can, you know, actually imagine a drape as soon as I look at a sari. And then the color schemes and all just come to me floating in front of my eyes. Then I accessorize them. I just love colors. I do try to use a lot of these colors to give a new look. I work with personal colors of my clients and suggest the coloring for them also. I'm happy that the youth is imbibing, ways and means to wear saris. I'm happy to look at them wearing it on jeans. Also, they, team it up with the crop tops, with t-shirts. It gives me immense pleasure. Believe me, immense pleasure when I see the youth actually imbibing and, not thinking that only aunties are going to wear saris. And I think I must pat my back to a small extent for bringing this change of mindset. Actually, my sari is like my, I could call it my empty canvas where I paint my dreams, where I, after a certain while, my thoughts are poured onto the canvas and I realize this is a drape that is already there for me. So I'm excited when I actually put my thoughts onto the canvas and create something new. Also, I would like to add here that this sari has actually, gone international, which again makes me swell with joy. My awards are something that remind me that I have to work harder and bring to you something new every time that I design something for myself or for my clients. I always keep it in mind that 6 yards is just magic. Magic because it helps you flaunt your curves. And if you want, you can hide your bulges as well. The 6 yards is like, it's like a dream. I mean, everywhere I see saris, everywhere I want to create something new and offer it to you. This journey has taken me a while to accomplish. But now that I see so many people, asking me questions, wanting to drape, giving the sari a new dimension, it makes me happy that yes, I have contributed to getting the sari that level of recognition where we are Indians. The Indian bodies, the Indian ladies they look just awesome in a sari. I just want to thank each one of you for your presence over here. And I would tell you that the drape book is yours to see, and you can probably drape every drape in it and come out a winner. Thank you so much.
Beenaji? Yes, please.
Yeah, I would actually want to thank each and every one of you for your valued presence in this most momentous period of my life. And I wouldn't end without thanking my daughter, Miss Kinnari Madia Shah, for her immense support. And without her, this launch would have never happened. So this is to you, Kinnari. I love you, Bacha. I love you too much.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful. So, of course, Kinnari and Beenaji, congratulations to both of you. The mother and daughter combination, what can be better than that? And of course, today, almost 100, friends and family who have joined us for this milestone day in your life. I think we all have experienced the magic of sari and what all can be done through this sari, and the book is wonderful, of course. Quick question. So where do you see now yourself in the next probably say 2 to 3 years? Is that going to be another book you will be coming out with, or is that something else? What are your thoughts?
First of all, I want this pandemic to end so that I could, venture out and have my workshops. I have quite a few, drapes lined up, but, they are all happening in my mind at the moment. And once we get an opportunity, yes, I would definitely, think on the lines of having, drape story part 2. But before that, as I said, let the situation improve. I have got a few drapes. I hope it improves and I can bring it to you once again.
Right. Very well said, and congratulations so much. And Beenaji, so many of your friends and family are here today. I'm sure many of them would like to interact with you. So let's have the floor open. And I would probably request that, since, this is a virtual medium, if you would like to say something, maybe you can raise your hand and unmute yourself, and talk. I think that would help us all to, have a nice interaction. So the floor is open for all of you.
You all can unmute yourself and ask what you wish, and you can have a chat.
Absolutely.
The floor is open for everyone.
Yes, please. Any questions?
Hi, Beena.
Hi, Kavita. Hi.
Congratulations. You're looking so pretty.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
I'm
Good that
awake.
now.
I'm
Good, I'm saying
awake
that.
I'm awake at 1 o'clock to be at the launch.
Thank you, Kavita. That's what friendship is all about. Thank you, dear. And now because of the, you can talk to me from Australia, and that we must thank, because otherwise it would be impossible if we were not connected by net. Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
I see Gitika has raised her hand. Gitika, over to you. I think probably she's got disconnected, it seems. Veena-ji, would you like to talk? Veena
Yes,
Sekhari-ji?
congratulations, Veena-ji. I am also Veena. So Kinnari is such a beautiful daughter, and I'm sure she'll help you always. And what you did, it's excellent work, because Indian tradition is about to die. So you improve the Indian tradition, and our such a beautiful dress, we can say it's an international dress, should be your this drape story will improve our designs, and of course sari draping, and I'm a sari wearing lover. Thank you, and once again congratulations.
Happy birthday.
Wonderful.
Happy book launching, Beena.
Thank you, Didi.
Congratulations for your new book launching.
Thank you, Didi.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Should we move to Shraddha? She has raised her hand.
Yes,
Shraddha,
please.
over to you.
Hey, Beena. Can you hear me?
Yes, Shraddha. Go on.
Okay, heartiest congratulations, first of all, with a kadak wali jhappi to you. I was waiting for this book launch since a long time. I would like to say something. Draping saris is one thing, and inspiring others through our draping style is another thing. Sari is such a versatile attire, and you are going to spread this message to so many people. It is going to include the younger generations for sure, where they are going to be inspired to drape saris and experiment with it. At the same time, you are going to inspire so many ladies who have always draped saris only in one particular way. Okay, so certainly you are going to help many women break their comfort zones and try to experiment something more with this beautiful attire. What do you think about it?
Yes, Shraddha, what more do we want? We want the youth to, yes. And since you are also into the sari business and all, nobody better than you who could understand this. Yes.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Exactly. You're doing a good thing, and very soon we will be having some workshops also. मेरे से जितना होगा, I'll certainly try to bring your drape story to help reach amongst many people. Okay, so all the best.
Thank you.
Yes, Beena, congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Proud of you. Yes, you have really made a 6-yard wonder.
Thank you, dear.
Yes.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy that not only, next generation, but this styles of yours can go internationally. So our saris will be going internationally because it will be liked by so many other people also from other community also. All the best.
Thank you, Rupa. Thank you.
Rituji, over to you.
Yeah. Hi,
Hi, dear.
hi, heartiest congratulations.
Thank you.
Can't wait to get your book in my hands. And I'm the brand ambassador for former newsreader Salma Sultan ma'am. So she promotes her Sari Sanskriti. So I will ask her and we can have your workshop there also.
Wonderful, dear. Thank you.
All the best.
Yes, Dolly ji.
Hi, Veena.
Hi, Dolly.
My heartily congratulations to you. You know that.
Yes.
So, I know Veena since more than 2 years. Always, कहाँ से लाती है कुछ समझ नहीं पड़ता है. Always something new. And she inspires me a lot. कुछ करो, कुछ नया करो, हमेशा. I'm so much, and what I don't know how to tell, but she's always with something new. How all the new ideas, always something new.
Thank you, darling.
And you are so
Thank you,
beautiful.
darling.
You are so cute and beautiful friend of mine.
Thank you, darling. ये दोस्ती हम ना तोड़ेंगे.
Never. कुछ नया कर ले तू इसके बाद. कुछ और
जरूर.
पैंडेमिक तेरे बीच में नहीं आएगा. You did it from Ahmedabad also. From your farm also you did something new. Everybody was praising it. Wearing your dress just like a sari.
Yes.
Wearing your dupattas. Mixing 2 dupattas as a sari. My God. And made a very beautiful singing video. And everybody should see this thing. Really.
Thank you, Dolly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, darling.
In Ahmedabad, I did.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, Veena ji.
Hello.
I'm Kulveen, Kinnari's friend. So it's been wonderful. Actually, you have compiled everything together. India, as we know, is about diversity. So everywhere, Indians wear different forms of sari. Maybe you go to Maharashtra or East India or wherever. I think so. This has been a great initiative that we look at a sari in a form of just a drape and not to divide it in terms of being like, okay, if you're in Maharashtra, then only you can wear this kind of a sari, or if you're in Gujarat, then only you can wear this kind of a Seedha Palla sari or a Gujarati sari, like we say. So this book probably will open our vision, and we will be open to experimentation a lot. So this will probably also, this is a step forward in terms of dissolving the boundaries. And therefore, I would like to congratulate you that this is a very great initiative. Awesome and wonderful. Salute to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Because what I remember, being a Punjabi, we have been wearing suits all the time. So sari is just like an occasional dress. So what happens is that I'm not so comfortable as a person wearing a sari. So probably this book will be useful to you. And I remember my Meghalaya trip. I brought Mekhla Chadar from there because that's a 2-piece version, and I used to wear it like, okay, I don't have to carry a pallu, because I'm very hesitant in terms of wearing this drape, because you have to walk slow and be very careful. So therefore, I think so I'll buy this book and I'll go through it, and I would love to experiment. And also because I won't be tagged like somebody who's being very experimental, because I've experimented with Mekhla Chadar, and I used to prefer, like I said, wearing Mekhla Chadars because it's easier to drape. It's a 2-piece version of a sari. it's easier to drape and it's easier to handle. So thank you so much. I think so it'll be very helpful for people like us who want to yet cannot experiment with it. Thank you.
There is a mekhla chadar in the Grape Story, and I've explained it very well. You can just go through it.
Okay.
Chadar is explained very well. Yeah.
I will also share a story of my mekhla chadar drape, how I draped it. I'll share that with you. So probably if you can add this into your wall and share it with people. So I devised
Definitely.
my own method. I devised my own method of wearing a sari. So I'll certainly share that with you.
Sure. I'll wait for it.
So,
Thank you.
Beena
Thank
ji,
you.
I have a couple of more of your friends who are waiting to talk to you. Dimple, over to you.
Hi, Beena Ben.
Hello, Dimple.
How are you? Congratulations.
Thank you, Dimple. Thank you so much.
I'm so proud of you, really. And first of all, Mama would like to talk to you, Beena Ben. Just hold on.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. हाँ mami. Yes, mami.
love you. અને બસ બહુ સરસ કરો છો બધું બહુ જાણીને ખુશી થઈ કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન
Thank you, mommy. Thank you.
મજા આવી ગઈ
બસ ખૂબ
congratulations
Thank you, mummy. Thank you, mummy.
બેટા
Thank you.
આગળ વધો ને ખૂબ સુખી થાઓ વધારે
Thank you,
વધારે
mama.
હા સરસ બોલી સરસ વધુ કર્યું સરસ થઈ ગયું
Thank you, mama.
Thank you, Ba.
I'm so proud of you, beta.
Without Kinnari, wouldn't have been possible.
Love you so much.
Thank you, Beena ji. We also have your friend Yogita. Yogita ji is waiting to talk to you.
Hello, Beena ji. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
I am Kinnari's friend, and Kinnari really talks so fondly of you. I have met you for the first time virtually, though, but you are so damn sweet and cute, I must say. Wish I could meet you in person.
We will soon.
Kinnari will make it possible very soon, and we'll want to take hold of your book also. And when you said today that you have been into varied fields and now your final calling was sari draping and image consulting, it gave me goosebumps because I have the similar thing that I have my final calling into image consulting, and I really wish to meet you for that as well.
Wonderful.
And
that makes the two of us. Wonderful.
Kudos to Kinnari, and you are looking so ravishing and amazing today.
Thank you.
Best wishes to you. Congratulations for the book launch, and Kinnari, much love to you too.
Thank you, Yogita, so much for being here. Thank you so much.
God bless.
With this, let's move on to Asha Desai. Hello, Asha.
हेलो नमस्कार बीना जी सबसे पहले तो तीनों जनरेशन को एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर देख के बहुत ही अच्छा लगा so it is always thrilling to see our generations are falling into sari again और आपने हमारे लिए बहुत ही सबसे ज्यादा इजी कर लिया 5 feet each जो हाइट है उनके लिए साड़ी पहनना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है तो डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू
अभी देखिएगा आप
हाँ मैं पक्का
देखिएगा every problem is going to be solved soon.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And may
Thank
God bless you. Kinnari, thank you so much for coming up with this initiative. Fantastic. Congratulations.
You can take it from my phone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Asha ji, thank you so much.
Thank you, Asha.
Lovely. Kinnari, do we have a minute or two, or we...
Yes, I would like Papa to speak.
Sure.
Papa, would you like to unmute yourself, please, and share a few words?
Great. Today, it is one of the most
pleasant moments for me to see this great story of Beena. 100% credit for this launch and creating this book goes to Beena. She has really, really worked very hard and all on her own. Of course, this event programmed by Kinnari and Kavya in the background. It's a great feeling of proud that Beena has been able to create such a beautiful story. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi.
Thank you, Papa. Preeti, would you like to say something?
Hi, Meena ji.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
You can hear me?
Yes.
Hello, Beena ji.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Super congratulations on the launch of such a wonderful book. For all the glory and the respect that you've given to sari, I think, which is probably the only unstitched garment in the world. One size that fits all. I don't think any other country has. But I mean, no matter what age, from 16 to 60, you could be as thin as you can, as healthy, and that's one size. I will definitely, Ravindra bhai, I will definitely walk into a painting lena hai, so I will definitely see the book there. I'm from the army background, and we know only two kind of drapes. One is the formal sari, sida palla rakhe. The pinned version is for teachers, or if you are maybe a doctor. बहुत ज़्यादा experiment नहीं करते, but now I will. So good to see you.
You should.
Amazing,
You should.
amazing. See, I do experiment, but बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. For people like me, saris for occasions. We are North Indians.
Now you can actually, wear saris and you can flaunt it with your pants. You can flaunt it with your salwar. You don't need any underskirt anymore.
That was one hit, कि matching petticoat नहीं है तो क्या करें?
कोई problem नहीं है.
No, seriously नहीं है, I do see different drapes, There's an FB page, Sari Speak पर देखती हूँ. But ठीक है, देखती थी. But your book has so many variations.
Thank you.
Amazing. I will definitely go to the gallery and see the.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much. You should actually.
I will.
You will get a lot of. Yeah.
It's closed right now for some. It's closed for some time. Let it open, then I'll go.
Let's see what you are wearing.
Yeah, this is an organza. If you see, I have my name.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
See?
That's
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So it is painted.
I hope I could show you the
painted.
drape, but I wonder if that's going to be possible. I don't know if it's going to be possible. This is an organza with an open pallu, and I have just left it loose over here. I don't know if you can, how well you can see it.
Yes, nice. So you have painted it. Your name is being painted by you.
Yes, I have actually got this made, and it has been made for me. It has been painted for me by Surbhi Soni, and she has really done a very good job. Yeah.
Yes, you look very smart. Very nice.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you. Kinnari, over to you now.
Bella Masi, would you like to share a few words?
Yes. Yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I'm Beena's sister, and I am so very happy and proud of her right now. Growing up with Beena, she was always into fashion, and she used to, design all our clothes, make us, get ready. And now this passion she has taken to this level. I'm so happy and so proud of you, Beena. Love you. And I love what you're wearing. So can you tell us a little bit of how you you went into the saris?
Hello, Bella.
Yeah.
Can
hi,
I have that question? Hi, dear. Can I have that question again?
How come you like you went, you were always wearing jeans and you were always into fashion? What made you go into saris? And what you have done with the sari is amazing. Like, you made it to appeal to all age groups. So how did you get into that?
I could say that the image management course that I did over there, I got fascinated with different, styling and colors and all these things. We learned a lot about colors. We learned about body shapes. We learned about which body shape, what type of clothing will suit. And I realized that sari is a garment which would suit all body shapes. So I decided that why not? And at my institute also, people told me that you've got a wonderful way with colors. You must work on this. And then like one fine day, I just wore a sari over jeans out of my own, imagination. And I got a lot of compliments. And from there, I think I started my journey.
I know, because growing up, I used to always want what you were wearing.
But you never told me this.
always. Remember your shoes, your everything about you, So you were always a style icon, and now you have become the sari style icon. So happy and so proud. I wish we were together and I would have, been there physically for you. But this is nice. At least we can share it on.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, sweetheart.
Congratulations and love
Thank
you.
dear. Love you.
Bye.
Hi everyone. Hello,
Hi.
can you hear me?
Hi, Preeti.
Hi, Vilamasi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Mama. Hello.
Hello, Preeti.
Yeah, hi, Mama. First, you're looking so beautiful today, and we are very happy, and we are very proud of you. And we are waiting for like this book like so long. So finally, you are launching this book. So can you, yeah, and like you are the strongest woman I know in my life right now. And आपने बहुत कुछ देखा है, बहुत कुछ सीखा है, and now we are very happy कि आप आज यहाँ पे हो, like आप अपना खुद का book launch कर रहे हो. We are very happy for this moment. Thank you so much. I'm little bit like I don't understand कि मैं क्या बोलूं. I'm very happy for you, and you're looking so pretty today. Thank you.
So, Kinnari, over to you now.
So we'll go ahead with the vote of thanks.
Yes, your vote of thanks now. Yes.
So thank you, everybody. Thank you so very much. We would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to all our chief guests present today. Princess Alia Ji Babi, Her Highness Maharani Sahiba Samyukta Ji Gohil, and Purvi Ji Doshi for gracing your valuable time today and adding to this celebration of launching The Drape Story by Beena Mardia. I can't be more happy today for your presence. Thank you to our event supporters and associate partners, Thai Women, Ahmedabad Book Club, and International Creative Arts Center, ICAC, for all your support extended, online and offline. A huge thanks to you, our moderator, Ms. Piali, for the flawless anchoring. You were superb, Piyali. You were superb today. Thank you so much. A shout out to all my special friends for all their unwavering support. Priyanshi, Monica Gupta for always being a phone call away. Rashmi Ambavi for the head start. Maya of Business Mantra for building our social kingdom so beautifully. Thank you so much, one and all. I would also like to share some good news here. The author, my mom, Akabina Mardia, will be launching her YouTube channel for demonstrations of sari draping styles and more. We will keep you all posted about the same. And once again, thank you everybody for coming in today and in this joyous moment of our lives. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Kinnari, we would like to hear some words from you in honor of your mom.
I already did that.
Great.
She's been inspiring. She's been amazing. And I cannot put it in words. She's been all that and more.
Let Kavya say.
What? Sorry?
Kavya, you want to share something?
Oh yeah, Nani, you're so inspirational and I couldn't be more proud of you today. You're someone I'm always gonna look up to, someone I'm always gonna respect and love, and I am so proud of you today. And I'm so happy. And yes, I mean, I am so fortunate that I have this amazing support system and such amazing people I know, and I can always call home. So thank you for being you. That's all I can say right now.
Thank you, Kavya. Yes, Piyali, over to you now.
Thanks, Kinnari. And I'm going to quickly take a couple of seconds to sort of bring to your attention that on the chat box, I have put the details where you can get this book. So it will be shortly available in Amazon. However, if you would like to order the book, there are phone numbers and there are email IDs of Kinnari and Beenaji as well, which I have put on the chat box, and you can reach out to these contact details for for getting your copy of the book. Right?
You can share the details of the book, Piyali, or you already shared it in the chat box?
I have shared it in the chat box because there are 2 phone numbers, there are 2 email IDs, and during this weekend, I understand if you would like to, take your copy, then there is also an offer of 40% discount to the original price. So if you wish to make a note of the telephone numbers and the email IDs, please feel free to do that.
Thank you so much, Piyali. Thank you so much for being here today with us.
Thank you, everyone. And thank you for being here today with us, and have a good evening.
Thank you, Alia ji, once again. Samyukta ji, Purvi ji, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This was wonderful.
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience, and I'm so overwhelmed right now. I feel so touched looking at you as family, mother, daughter, granddaughter, and the love and bonding, and Beenaji being the source of inspiration. It's so amazing. I'm so touched, and I feel emotional. It's beautiful.
We have 4 generations. My grandmother is also here.
Yeah. So you've left. I mean, this is a very beautiful experience that you gave to me. So thank you so much, Kinnari, and all the best to Beenaji. I look forward to see her as my model very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, everyone.